Hello and welcome to our channel, and today I want to talk about loans, especially about Binance loans, how it works, what are the pros and cons of these type of finance, and of course many other things that you need to know if you actually have no idea what it is and how it works, and if you can actually get some money from example Binance. So let's start. And the page you see, that is actually the page where everything and all the magic happens. Crypto loans by Binance. And here you can actually borrow the amount, and you can actually indicate what collateral you have to offer. But let's start from the very beginning. So crypto loans is something super similar to the bank loans that you would get from the bank, with actually the only difference that banks would actually examine your credit history. So they would look deep into, are you a credible person? Have you paid all your previous your loans in time, and so on and so forth. So many indicators, many things that they take into account. And here you don't have to actually present your loan history. So that is the main difference. And of course, traditional banks, they kind of calculate this risk. So they, of course, want to know your history. And crypto loans don't require credit scores. But here in crypto loans, you need to provide collateral. So this is some portion of crypto assets that will be used in case you don't pay your credit, your loan. I mean, if you fail to do that. So of course, there should be some guarantee for the organization or company that actually lends you money. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of these type of financing? So, first of all, there is speed and flexibility. So, borrowers can instantly collect their loans with more flexible repayment time. Accessibility, uh, all the underbanked population can get this loan, and you don't need to have any credit history. Long-term consideration. So instead of, for example, liquidating your assets, you can consider taking out a crypto loan, and that is kind of like a quick money that you can get right away. And lower interest rates with a crypto secured loan. And of course, there are like some cons. These are liquidation risk. If the value of your collateral falls below the requirements, you will need to add more liquidity. Otherwise, your lender runs the risk of liquidation. Then there is like loan to value ratio. This ratio measures risk level by comparing the value of your loan against the market value of its collateral. And late repayment. Borrowers will get liquidated for late repayments and incur a liquidation fee. On Binance Loan, the fee is 2%. So, why Binance? The most important part of it. And I'm gonna explain you why. Because they have flexible terms. So they actually provide 7, 14, 30, 90, and 180-day loan terms. And interest is calculated based on hours borrowed. So again, like if to compare with bank loans, this is a bit different thing, because crypto loans, they are a bit less on time, so they are kind of like short term. And there is another thing, that the interest is calculated on an hourly basis. So early repayment, you can return money, the whole sum, for example, earlier than the due date. Use funds anywhere. So you can use them on the Binance ecosystem, from trading to making payments, and that is cool because this is something that will actually change your financial habits, and you will be fast reacting on some things and signs that you get on the market. And loans staking. Some of the collateral options can also be staked to generate crypto rewards and reduce loan interest fees. And this is great on the side of Binance, and that's what they actually provide to you. And these conditions are super cool, trust me. So how to borrow? Pretty simple. Step number 1, you decide which asset you want to borrow and which asset you will use as collateral. So here it is. You choose the asset, and here you choose the asset. Then you select how long you want to borrow, and you have these options of days. Then step number 3, the platform will automatically determine the hourly interest rate based on the collateral amount, right? So if I put like 200, and of course you will have the total interest amount after staking. Here it is. And step number 4 is, feel free to use the borrowed funds anywhere in or outside the Binance ecosystem. Okay, that's it for today. That is all the information that I wanted to provide to you and to share with you. My dear friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm super pleased that you watched it, and don't forget to like it and hit the subscribe button as well. I wish you a super good day, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.